welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a wig install. Hope you enjoy this video. So this wig I'll be installing is from Wigmy. It came in this box. Inside this box there is a beautiful bag. In the bag there is a wig, of course, 28 inches deep wave, and then a wig cap, a lovely mink eyelashes, and then this beautiful scarf. So here is the wig. It's a 3x4 lace front deep wave transparent HD lace wig. The wig have 4 combs, so be rest assured that the wig is in place. So let's begin. I'll be bleaching the knot before installing. A gloves is needed as I am dealing with chemicals. So to bleach the knot, I'll be needing True Light, bleach, powder, and True Zone developer. This is 30 volume. I'll be needing like 2 cups of bleaching powder and a little bit of the developer just to make it, a bit thick consistency. Mix it well before applying. So I'll be applying it gently just on top of the lace, just making sure I am dapping it. After applying the bleach, cover it for 40 minutes. It's 40 minutes, then I have to wash the bleach off. After washing the hair, so now to plug the baby hair. The hair is pre-plugged already, but needed to plug it more. So I finished plugging the frontal now. It's time to install it. So I have already installed my wig cap on. Here is the wig when dry and being brushed out. It looks full, right? I know. So I'll be using got to be glue on my edges to lay the wig. Placing the wig on top of where I applied the glue to make sure the wig is laying down perfectly on top of the glue. Blow dry it and tie it with a band. Leave it to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. So here is all dry. I'll be cutting off the lace, cutting it section by section. Brush out the hair and apply spray leave-in conditioner. Spray on the hair so it will be a bit coily. The curls can come back to life when you spray water spray on it or leave-in conditioner. So here is the hair. I'm so much in love with this wig. It is so full as I want. This is 180 density and looking this full. So guys, check them out. I will leave their link in the description where you can get this hair. They are very, very, very affordable. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you all on my next video. Bye.